Welcome to PHP tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about while loop. While loop is basically does the same thing as for loop, but the writing of while loop is a little bit of different. So here you can see we have a for loop here and we printed hello 10 lines. So we are going to do the same thing using while loop. So let me just reload this. And for while loop, we just need to say here while, then we need to give to first bracket, then to second bracket. And inside while loop, we need to give only one condition. Let me just say here $I is smaller than 10. And then here we're going to say echo hello. And let's say $I. Let's also add a line break here. Let's say br. And right now, first of all, we need to set a value for this I at the beginning. So we just need to say here at the beginning, we need to say $I equal to 0. So right now we're going to say here $I plus plus and end it with a semicolon. So here at the beginning the value of I is 0, then we give a condition, then we printed hello with the value of I, then we just increase the value of I. So at the beginning the value of I will be 0, then after coming here it will be on, then it will check the condition, then it will again come here, then the value of I will become 2, 3, 4 up until it will print hello all when the value of I is 9. If we now save it, then refresh, here we can see the same output. If we say here I smaller than 100, they'll save, then refresh, it will give us up until 99, from 0 to 99. While loop basically does the same thing as for loop, but the written style is a little bit different. But for loop is more popular than while loop. So I hope you are clear about while loop. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.